Hello beautiful people, I am Jane.M and this is of course Jane.M TV. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell to be notified whenever I post, and that's on period. So today is Tuesday, the 23rd of January 2024, and we are still busy with my sister's little work outfits. And in the last vlog you probably saw her trying on her dress, that the one that I was making, and then the only thing that you did not see was what my intern Diako was working on. She kind of finished that. I'm gonna show you how that looks and I'm gonna fit it basically. The only problem with it was she did not cut the buttonholes pretty well, so I'm gonna try do that real quick and then try the little shirt on for you guys so that you see how it looks. Yeah, today though I will be working on the waistcoat pattern and also hopefully the pants and probably cut. That's what I want to do today, because yesterday your girl wasn't feeling herself, so I didn't even shoot anything for you guys. I literally was just lying on the couch the entire day. Yeah, so not the entire day though, I'm just exaggerating. I actually did the front part of the waistcoat pattern. I just need to do the back and the facings. Yeah, so right now I'm just gonna cut the button holes for the shirt and then try the thing on for you so that you see how it looks. It's pretty good. Well, I'm impressed because, well, my intern is kind of, I don't know, she is shy and the shyness is extending onto the work, and I feel like she lacks confidence in what she's doing, and that's what we are trying to build. I cannot have her here, you know, live without having confidence in whatever she's doing. She needs to be able to work with clients and have the knowing that whatever she's doing will translate onto the garment and it's going to be amazing. So we are working on that, making sure that she gains that confidence and she pushes through and creates beautiful clothes. I'm gonna show you how she did with the shirt. I was literally letting her fly solo on that one. Yeah, in other things I wouldn't possibly let her do that, because when the client is a paying client, I mean my sister is paying, but I feel she's my sister. If anything goes wrong, I can always go back and fix her stuff and she won't complain. But with external people, my guy, people are not very forgiving. You do one thing wrong and you're all over social media. Now you're that designer who doesn't do what they want, so what they wanted versus what they got. I don't like that trend. It bores me so much. Okay, let me stop blabbing and give you what you're here for, to see the stuff that we work on in the studio. But first of all, baby girl, I want to give you a little OOTD what I'm currently wearing. There you go. I'm actually practicing how to use the camera in this mirror. So that's how I look. That's how I look. Okay guys, so this is our little shirt and that's how it looks. I just made the buttonholes a bit bigger because the buttons weren't fitting, so it wasn't really functional. Yeah, but I love the collar, love the tie thing here, this tie straps here, and it's kind of corseted here on center front. It's not really done to be a corset, it's just to decorate, because see how loose it is here. And the back is basically darts at the back. Yeah. How do you think my intern did on her first project? Well, of course, except for the little mistakes that she did with the buttonholes and getting the shirt kind of dirty. We need to work on neatness, but yeah, so it needs to be washed before it can be worn. What else? Yeah, that's it, but that's how it's looking. guys, let me catch you up. So I cut every piece that is needed, including the lining, the facings, and the outer pieces, and pieces for the welt pocket. Here they are. So that's everything. And Diako did come through, and I think you saw her a bit in a clip. There she is working on the pants. Acting shy. But that's the pants in the works. I'll catch you up a bit later. I have a few minutes left in the memory card, and also the battery is dying, so let me charge you guys up and then get back to you once we are proceeding. Hello beautiful people. So today is Wednesday actually, because the vlog had to have been dropped today and it wasn't, and I'm sorry for not picking you up. I did not pick you up yesterday, so that messed with the upload schedule. So I do apologize right now for that little fact. But here I am calling y'all back. So today, what's going to happen is there was a little mistake that happened with the pens that my intern was working on. She, is still trying to remember some of the stuff she learned at school, and she didn't remember how to stitch a fly zip. So I am about to fix that and probably do the welt pocket at the back before I move on to my waistcoat, because my sister was like, I know you want her to learn, but can you not teach her on my garments? So what we're going to do is I brought her some scrap fabric that I had. She's gonna draft and cut a pair of tailored shorts and make sure that she has a welt pocket on there. She does a fly zip. She also has some little buttons, so I'm gonna make sure that she has like buttons on the pants, on the shorts that she's gonna be working on. That's what she'll be working on today. As for me in my house, I'll probably be working on the pants and waistcoat that my sister needs. But first, because I had left the studio yesterday, like I only swept. So right now I'm just going to clean the floors. So I'm going to mop the floors and then dust. Yeah. And then I can carry on in the hopes of becoming America's Next Top Model. And that's on period. But let me show you. Let me just get the pens and show you what had happened if she is not yet done unpicking. All right. So these are our little pens over here. I mean, she did the pockets nicely. The only thing that needs to be done is to join the side seam on here, but that will be done once there's a welt pocket at the back. So this is the issue that we had, right? This side, that's where that little shape thing that you see on pants has to be. For women, hers was this side, which was wrong. And then what else? Oh, it was too shallow. It has to be a bit deep. Hers was a bit shallow, so that's what I will be fixing. I'm gonna go ahead and just do it, so that when she comes through, all she can focus on is the remembering of what she learned at school, because now this is a client's garment. We don't want mistakes on it, and the fabric is super expensive. I don't have money to replace it. Yeah. But that's this. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean. Like I said, I'm gonna clean, and then we can continue with the pants and the waistcoat. Catch you up in a bit. Let me give you a little OOTD for the day. This is how I'm looking. See me in the mirror. That is me. That's how I'm looking. Basically, I'm learning, guys. It's pretty hard. I'm trying to maneuver. That's my face. That's my body. Those are my shoes. Everything I'm wearing is from, I want to say the Fix. The Fix. The Fix. The Fix. Cotton On or Factory. One of the two. And then the pants are from the Fix or Legit. Don't remember where I got this. Jet. Alright, laters. Okay guys, I'm catching you up. I did our fly zip and she said she didn't want any pleats on the pants, so I made her some pin tucks. If you look closely there, those are pin tucks going all the way down, and then that's our fly zip correctly inserted. That's how it's looking, right? Yeah. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the rest of what needs to happen on this pants in front and on the back before I join the front and the back together. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I did not wipe the floss like I said I was gonna, wipe the floss. I'll do that afterwards. I just got caught up in trying to fix the fly zip that I decided to go ahead and just finish the entire thing. Yeah, but I'm loving how it's turning out so far. Hey guys, so it's much later and this is how the pants turned out. I just need to add the waistband, and yeah, that would be it. And also to hem our legs there down at the bottom. Yeah, that's how it's looking. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. So thank you so much guys for watching. Please continue liking, sharing and commenting. Click that notification bell so that you'll be alerted whenever I post, and that's on who, period. All right, later.